Yan. Kasha? Ayos. Okay, oh. Ayos. Thank you dito, ah. Thank you.
Paabala pa kayo dyan sa...
Oo nga eh.
I'll take care of it.
Sure. Okay, good luck. Be. Thank you.
Ay, na-adjust naman yung...
So, James,
So, I have to take care of his bike, eh?
I have a question. So, first of all, what's your name?
I'm James.
James, how old are you?
I'm 18.
18? Okay, what happened to your first bike?
Well, my first bike it got stolen.
Got stolen in the church?
At the church, yeah,
Okay.
of all places.
So, this is my bike. I bought it 2016.
Oh, really?
This is my first bike that I bought here in Canada.
Really?
Yes, so I don't want to actually give it away, or somebody asked this price long time ago. I don't want to give, right? And I don't want to sell it. That's why I'm looking for somebody to give it, right? So I hope you take good care of my bike.
Of course,
It's
of
yours
course.
now. And by the way, this is the thing.
The bell, yeah.
I'll try it. The gear is working properly,
Oh yeah, they look good.
and I changed the seat because I don't want the hard one. This is the soft one, yeah, and you can adjust it actually.
Yeah, from here, yeah.
Yeah, so you take it away, right? So try it, test it.
Yeah.
Okay,
You can adjust the...
let him try it. Road test. Okay.
Test.
Bagay.
Can bike all the way to York?
No, pwede, bus. You can take the bus with the bus. Yeah.
Video ka lang, ngayon lang.
Yeah, I like it.
All right.
May pateng-teng pa yan.
Meron pang ano, ha?
There's a shock here.
Just
And this
yeah.
one.
Just
So
get a proper, yung
Never,
lock,
yeah.
proper lock.
Yeah. Just buy a proper lock with a U-shaped one.
Yung bike ko yun eh, sa sport check ko nabili yun eh, dati. Dati,
Yeah, actually I tuned it up
3.
yeah?
during pandemic.
Yeah, you said you fix up.
Yeah. So I use it when I'm going to the gym. Because that.
Bigay,
Oh.
no?
Very well taken care of.
Happy?
Yeah, very happy.
All right.
Very, very happy.
Okay.
Bilisan mo na lang, ha?
Yeah.
Yan. Bahala ka na dyan.
Tingnan mo yung ano pala yung trend. Mabigat lang na konti ah. Ayan mga abe, happy naman ako at ang nabigyan ko ng bike ay yung ano namin, kaibigan namin, parang tinuturing na pamangkin ko na dito sa Canada. So puti na lang kasi napagkwentuhan na nawalan siya ng bisikleta at gustong niya magbisikleta. So yun, binigay ko na lang sa kanya kesa binenta ko sa iba. Okay?